So our next question is from GATE 2021 Fluid Mechanics for 2 marks. The question is, we are given a question, water of density 1000 kg per meter cube flows in a horizontal direction of 10 centimeter diameter at an average velocity of 0.5 meter per second. The following plot shows the pressure measured at various distance from the pipe entrance. Right, using the data shown in the figure, the fanning friction factor in the pipe when the flow is fully developed is. So we need to calculate the fanning friction factor F, right? So let's start with the solution. We know very well that fanning friction factor is given as head loss is given as HF is equal to delta P upon rho G is equal to 4FL V square by 2GD, where F is the fanning friction factor, L is the length, V is the velocity, L is the length of the pipe, and 2 is the constant, G is the acceleration due to gravity, D is the diameter of the pipe. So we will see here, we will rearrange this equation in the form of F. F is the fanning friction factor, F is equal to delta P by L into D by 2 rho V square. So let's see here what we will have given. What we have given is density is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube, D is equal to diameter, that is 10 centimeter, will be 0.1 meter, V is the velocity, will be 0.5 meter per second. So you can see here, we will put the equation, we will put the values, then we will get F is equal to delta P by L into this 0.0002. So we have this equation now. Now we need, since we have given a graph on the paper, on the question paper, so we will take fanning friction factor from every 1 meter we will calculate. So you can see here, we have given this type of graph. That is this 1 to 2 meter, there is a pressure drop of 1205, and 2 to 3 is this pressure drop, this much, and this much, right? You can see here, they write it fully developed is, they are asking the fanning friction factor at fully developed flow, right? What is the fully developed flow, right? So first we will calculate from 1 to 2 fanning friction factor from 1 to 2, then we will calculate 2 to 3. Since 1 to 2 we know the 2 pressure, we know the pressure drop, and we know the length, 2 minus 1 is 1 meter. So we will calculate F12 here from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. Then we will check whether it is stopped change. When the fanning friction factor will not change further, then we will fix the answer there. Okay, so we will start with the solution. First, from 1 to 2 meter, we have F is equal to 1205 minus 1152. This is a pressure drop here, and it is the length 1 meter. Then we get the fanning friction factor is 0.0106, and you can see they have given this option also, okay, to confuse you. Now we will calculate from 2 to 3 meter. Then we get, from similar equation, we get F is equal to 0.008. You can calculate it on, okay. Now we will calculate from 3 to 4. Then we get friction factor is 0.0076. Further we calculate this from 4 to 5 meter is, we get F is equal to 0.0074. Next we get from 5 to 6 meter length, we get F is equal to 0.0074. You can see here, from 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 is the same. That means the flow is fully developed here. Further it is not changing, so that means it will be our correct answer. Or you can do it in short way also. You can take last length of the length of the pipe, then 5 to 6 meter length. You can take 5 to 6 meter length, then you can calculate directly this. Since from initially when water is flowing in the pipe, then first it will start to develop. It will, with increasing the length, flow will be developed. So you can take that portion also, but in detailed way I have solved this question. So thank you so much. You can see here they have given this option. They have given option B. Option B is correct. So thank you.